If you love smart kitchen gadgets that make cooking easier, today's video is packed with some amazing finds. From clever food prep tools to space-saving appliances, these products can make your kitchen routine faster and more enjoyable. If you want to check out any of these items, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Take a look after the video to explore them. Now, let's jump right into the first product. Refrigerator Deodorizer. This refrigerator deodorizer is a simple but powerful gadget that helps keep your fridge smelling fresh. This compact odor eliminator works better than traditional baking soda and charcoal by actively absorbing bad smells from food. It is designed to last up to 10 years, so you don't need constant replacements. Just place it inside your fridge or freezer and let it do the work. The result is a cleaner smelling refrigerator that keeps your food environment fresh and pleasant. 3-in-1 Sink Drain Strainer. This kitchen sink drain strainer is a smart sink accessory that helps prevent messy clogs. It combines a sink stopper, strainer basket, and drain filter in one compact design. The anti-clogging basket catches food scraps and debris before they go down the drain. Made from durable stainless steel, it fits most standard 3.5-inch kitchen sink holes. This simple gadget keeps your sink cleaner, reduces plumbing problems, and makes everyday dishwashing a lot more convenient. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster is perfect for anyone with limited kitchen counter space. Its slim design fits almost anywhere while still giving you a long slot that easily handles sourdough bread and thicker slices. It features 6 shade settings so you can choose how light or crispy your toast becomes. The toaster also includes reheat and cancel buttons, anti-jam protection, and auto shutoff for safety. With its compact size and useful features, it's a great toaster for modern kitchens. Stainless steel cutting board. If you want a more hygienic surface for food preparation, the stainless steel cutting board is a great option. This double-sided board features a stainless steel side for meat and a wheat straw surface for vegetables and bread. The material is durable, non-toxic, and easy to clean compared to traditional wooden boards. It also resists stains and odors from strong ingredients. With its large size and sturdy build, this cutting board makes everyday chopping safer, cleaner, and more efficient. Immersion Blender Handheld Set. The Immersion Blender Handheld Set is a versatile kitchen tool that helps you prepare smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. This powerful hand blender offers 20 speed settings along with a turbo mode for tougher ingredients. The set includes a stainless steel blending blade, egg whisk, beaker, and chopper bowl. That means you can mix, whip, chop, and blend with one device. Its comfortable grip and compact design make it easy to use, saving both time and counter space while cooking. Full Star Vegetable Chopper. The Full Star Original Pro Chopper is a popular kitchen gadget designed to make food preparation faster and easier. It works as a vegetable chopper, fruit slicer, and spiralizer, all in one compact tool. The sharp stainless steel blades quickly cut vegetables into uniform pieces, while the container collects everything neatly below. This helps keep your counter clean while you prep meals. It's perfect for chopping onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and more, making everyday cooking quicker and far less stressful. Heavy-duty ice cream scoop. This heavy-duty ice cream scoop is built to make serving frozen desserts easy and smooth. The strong metal scoop glides through hard ice cream without bending or sticking. Its comfortable ergonomic handle provides a secure grip so you can scoop effortlessly. Besides ice cream, it also works great for gelato, sorbet, cookie dough, and even melon balls. The durable construction is dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning simple. It's a small kitchen tool that makes dessert time much more enjoyable. Compact Vacuum Sealer. The Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer is designed to help keep food fresh for longer. This handheld vacuum sealing machine removes air from reusable vacuum bags to protect your food from spoilage. It comes with 30 reusable vacuum bags so you can start storing meals right away. By sealing out air, it helps reduce food waste and keeps ingredients fresh in the refrigerator or freezer. Bella Ceramic Fold and Store Griddle. The Bella Ceramic Fold and Store Griddle is a great cooking appliance for preparing breakfast and family meals. This electric griddle features 2 separate temperature zones that can reach up to 400 degrees, letting you cook different foods at the same time. The ceramic nonstick coating helps food slide off easily and makes cleaning simple. When you're done cooking, the griddle folds upright for compact storage. It's perfect for making pancakes, eggs, bacon, and grilled sandwiches. Under cabinet motion sensor lights. These under cabinet motion sensor lights are a smart way to brighten up dark areas in your kitchen. The rechargeable LED lights attach magnetically under cabinets and turn on automatically when motion is detected. They are also dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness based on your needs. Because they are wireless, installation is quick and requires no drilling. They work great for kitchen counters, closets, or cabinets, giving you convenient lighting exactly where you need it. Stainless steel splatter screen. Cooking foods like bacon or fried chicken can cause hot oil to splash everywhere. That's where the stainless steel splatter screen becomes extremely useful. This 13-inch grease guard sits on top of your frying pan and blocks oil splashes while still allowing steam to escape. The fine mesh screen keeps your stove and counters cleaner during cooking. It also reduces the risk of hot oil burns. With its sturdy handle and durable design, it's a simple but very practical kitchen tool. Cold press juicer machine. The cold press juicer is perfect for anyone who enjoys fresh homemade juice. This powerful juicer features a wide feed chute that allows you to add whole fruits and vegetables with minimal chopping. Its slow cold press technology helps extract more juice while preserving nutrients and flavor. The 400-watt motor provides strong performance while remaining quiet during operation. It is also designed for easy cleaning, making it convenient for everyday healthy juice preparation. Bella Slim Air Fryer. The Bella Slim Air Fryer is designed for kitchens where space matters. Its slim profile fits easily on small counters while still offering powerful air frying performance. The adjustable temperature control and 6 preset cooking options make it simple to prepare fries, chicken, vegetables, and more. The ceramic non-stick coating helps food cook evenly and prevents sticking. With a 60-minute auto shutoff timer and audible alert, it also adds an extra layer of cooking safety. Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet. The Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet is a large and versatile cooking pan designed for family meals. With its extra deep capacity, you can cook large portions of stir-fry, pasta, or breakfast foods in one place. The adjustable temperature control lets you cook everything from gentle simmering to high-heat frying. Its non-stick surface makes food release easily and clean up quick. The glass-vented lid allows you to monitor cooking while keeping heat and moisture inside. Complete Sourdough Starter Kit. For anyone interested in baking homemade bread, the Complete Sourdough Starter Kit provides everything you need to get started. It includes a Banneton proofing basket, a sourdough starter jar, and essential baking accessories. The basket helps dough maintain its shape during fermentation, while creating the classic artisan bread pattern. This kit makes it easier for beginners to start baking sourdough at home. It's a great way to explore homemade bread baking and enjoy fresh loaves straight from your kitchen. Electric Kettle with Tea Infuser. This electric kettle with infuser is designed especially for tea lovers. The kettle features precise temperature control, so you can brew different types of tea at the ideal temperature. A built-in infuser allows you to steep loose-leaf tea directly in the kettle. It also avoids plastic contact with water, which many people prefer for cleaner taste. With automatic shutoff and brewing programs, it provides both safety and convenience for daily tea preparation. Triple Whisk Milk Frother. Triple Whisk Milk Frother helps you create rich, creamy foam for coffee drinks in seconds. This handheld frother uses a triple whisk design that spins quickly to produce smooth froth for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, or hot chocolate. It runs on batteries and is lightweight, making it easy to use anytime. Simply place the whisk in warm milk and press the button. In moments, you'll have cafe-style foam right at home. S'mores Roasting Sticks. Last but not least are the S'mores Roasting Sticks designed for campfires and outdoor cooking. These long stainless steel skewers allow you to safely roast marshmallows, hot dogs, or vegetables over a fire. The extended length helps keep your hands away from the heat, while the wooden handles provide a comfortable grip. They are reusable, easy to clean, and perfect for camping trips, backyard fire pits, or family gatherings. A fun and simple tool for outdoor food lovers.